Hi, this is Jack.Weir with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Here today to preview the 2019 Winnebago Outlook. The model is a 31N. Beautiful Class C coach, brand new 2019. Outside, you've got a nice long body with a full overhead awning. You've got onboard generators. Let's take a look on the inside. Coming in, you've got a really nice cockpit area with the backup cameras, cruise control, tow mode, air conditioning, all beautiful up here. Seats swivel. You've got an overhead bunk. You've got a great television up there too that does swivel out, so it's easy viewing from your sofa. The sofa does convert to a bed. You have your dinette that converts to a bed also. And then one of the largest kitchen areas that I've seen. You got a 3-burner cooktop, microwave convection oven, plenty of overhead storage and shelf storage. Back further, we've got a 10.5 cubic foot refrigerator, freezer with pantry and shelf space. Got a full shower, full lav over on this side. Coming back to the back, got the full walk-around queen-size bed with overhead storage. And then you've got a full-length wardrobe. You can hang a lot of clothes in this, be gone for quite a while, or really enjoy your road trip. Big full pull drawers on this. And this is again the 2019 Winnebago Outlook. Any further questions, just give me a call at 541-654-1820 or send me an email at jack.weir@guaranty.com. Thank you much for your time.